And so, on some news, social media personality and DJ Cyan has come out to speak on her intentions to let the law deal with Prince KAYBEE after she accused him of leaking her sex tape. This was in a message to gossip blog Maphephandaba on Instagram, wherein she wrote, "Admin, I've never been this broken. It gets worse because he can't just at least say sorry. He left all my messages unread, but I will never let this or him eliminate me, regardless of how he tries to spin things. I've always maintained my innocence and still will. My only intent is to let the law and God deal with him. I faced trouble my whole life, and every time it looked like I would lose, I came out on top. Tough times really don't last, but as it's really still tough for me, I'm so grateful for the support from everyone, literally." Interestingly, the legal consequences for such actions include jail time and a fine. As in 2020, President Cyril Ramaphosa signed an amendment to the Films and Publications Bill, which further clamped down on the dissemination of revenge porn, as well as hate speech and child pornography. The law defines revenge porn as the sharing or distribution of any nude or sexually explicit material without permission or consent, with the purpose of humiliating the victim or making a profit. If the victim can't be identified in the content, the perpetrator could face 2 years in jail and/or pay a fine of up to 150,000 rands. But if the victim can be identified, like in this case, the perpetrator could spend 4 years in prison and/or a fine of up to 300,000 rands. So, given the fact that you can clearly see that the person in the video is Cyan, adding as well the extent of the publication, which in this case would be the number of people who have seen the video on social media, you can expect anywhere towards the maximum sentence and fine, meaning nothing less than 3 years in most cases. What makes it harder for Prince KAYBEE is that if he indeed took that video as Cyan claims, it would matter less if he publicly leaked it himself or shared it with a close friend who then, even without his consent, shared it with the public, as all those actions bear no legal difference. But you guys let us know what you think about it. Do you think this matter will end up in court, or do you think Cyan will just let it go? Comment down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.